Hey guys! Say, hey guys!
Hey guys!
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Careful, don't touch anything.
Take it out. Agenda.
Okay, thanks. So we bought this ring light for the new year, but Logie hates it, so we just turned it off. So it's pretty much pointless. Alright guys, so I'm gonna turn it back on. I turned it off.
No, I turned off.
No, I turned it off.
No, I turned off.
Okay, turn it back on for mommy.
No.
Okay. Can you go get me a car from your room? Where's your big bucket of cars? Okay. There we go. Alright guys, so today I am just going to be doing like a little lesson / tutorial / just telling you some things that I use and sharing with you some products that I've been loving recently. And yeah, so the theme of this video is how to care for blonde hair. Blonde hair, I don't know if like you're a natural blonde or if you're a color treated blonde. Either way, blonde hair is just like a little bit different than and like having darker hair. I've had darker hair before and it's like so little maintenance and here comes Loki again.
Turned it.
Okay. Where's the bucket with all the cars? Where's the cheese ball bucket? The Cheetos, is it in your room?
No.
Oh, where is it?
Here.
Oh.
This is, yeah, this is good.
Oh, that one's good, okay. Okay, anyway, so back to what I was saying. So having blonde hair is just a little bit different than having any other color hair. It just needs to be cared for differently. It requires a lot more maintenance just because...
Sorry.
That's okay. I don't know how we're gonna get through this filming with this baby today, but we'll make it through somehow. Let's try one more time. Alright, so... Gonna jump into sharing what I use to care for blonde hair, because if you don't care for your blonde hair properly, I find that it starts to break off, and I've had a lot of breakage because I wasn't caring for it properly. It needs to be loved and moisturized and just really cared for. I'm gonna try to edit out this background noise later so it doesn't sound like I'm just screaming in your face, but here we are. Okay, so yeah, I've shared this so many times, all of the broken hair that I have. I am wearing my short extensions right now to basically fill in all the bald spots, but yeah. Okay, Logan is stretching, so I'm just going to jump into my favorite products. Okay, so my #1 favorite product is the Shimmer Lights by Clairol. Basically, this is just like your toner at home that you can use without being like a failure at it. Unless you leave it on super long, it won't turn your hair purple or anything. I personally leave it on for maybe 2 minutes or so. I will, shampoo it in, get it all, my hair coated with the shampoo. In your room, baby. So I will just get my hair all shampooed up with it, and then I will like wash my body or shave my legs or something quick, and then rinse it out, and usually it gives me this perfect result that I got today. I actually just used this when I had a shower like an hour or two ago, and it's flying everywhere, yuck. But yeah, this is literally amazing. Under $10, maybe $6 at Sally's. 10 out of 10 recommend. Literally, if you find that your hair turns yellow easily, this is your go-to. So this is kind of like a next step for me. So the Shimmer Lights does dry out your hair a little bit just because it's like stripping off some of that yellow, brassy, whatever. I don't know if it's stripping it off or it's just turning it the color that you need it to be. I don't know how this science works, but it does leave your hair a little bit dry. Okay, baby. It does leave your hair a little bit dry, so right after I do that, I like to leave in this mask for about half an hour. It just brings back some of the moisture, and it's all natural. It's by Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. No silicones, nothing bad like that, so it's just... Oh, okay, go get it. So basically it's just bringing your hair back to what it should be, and yeah. Love this one. It's a little bit pricey. It's from Sephora, but honestly, if you are going to be using the Shimmer lights, I highly, highly recommend getting like a deep conditioning mask for right after when you're done using it. My next 2 steps, these are just in like an after shower kind of spray. I use these literally right after I use these. This is like a whole process, guys. So these ones are also from Sally's. This one I actually found on clearance, and it's been really good. I actually really like it. So we'll go with this one first. This is the Rusk Deep Shine Color Care. This is just like a treatment for your hair that keeps the color from fading. It'll just help you keep that ashy blonde hair color that you have. Yes, baby, I want to see it. Okay, so yeah, this is just like a color care treatment. This one's really good. Rusk, I believe this one was also under $10 from Sally's as well. Everything here should be under $10 because I'm super cheap. Besides this mask, it's the only thing I splurged on because bringing back that moisture.
Oh my goodness, cars!
Oh my goodness, cars! The next thing I love is this heat protecting kind of treatment. I spray this before I will dry my hair, and it's kind of just...
A bus.
Yes, baby, a bus. Basically, this is just like a really good treatment for your hair if your hair is damaged, a little bit dry. This brings like some strength back to it, and it just makes it, I don't know, stronger. It's good for if you're growing your hair. I've been using this one like religiously, and it's helped me grow my hair a lot. Love it. This one was on clearance, and that's why I bought it, but it's actually been really good. I'm gonna link everything in the in the description below in case you want to try any of these products yourself. And my last thing that I love is just a good oil for your hair. So blonde hair, if you don't want it to turn yellow, you need an oil that isn't yellow. This one is yellow because of the bottle, but when I spray it in my hand, that's silver.
Oh, good job.
So, thank you. So when you have blonde hair, you want to find an oil that isn't yellow. This one is yellow because of the bottle, but if I put some in my hand, you'll see that it's actually clear. You don't want to have anything with any color in it, just because that color could transfer onto your hair, especially if your hair soaks up color really good. Like when you're using the purple shampoo, if you find that it turns your hair purple quick, you definitely don't want to have any oils or anything that have color in them, just because that color will then go onto your hair, and that's something that we don't want. This one is Frieda. I think it's from Walmart. So yeah, this one is just from Walmart. I think this one was like about $7. It's been good. This one has lasted me a long time. I've had this for at least 3 years. Yeah, I will share all these in the comments below. My last tip is just when it comes to styling. This isn't on, obviously, I just grabbed it with my hand. But when you are curling your hair, blonde hair tends to get damaged easier, faster, especially if it's color treated. So basically, just keep the heat away from your ends. If you can see, kind of my hair has already come uncurled a little bit, but I don't curl all the way to the end. That is silver. So basically, you just want to take your piece of hair and wrap it, and then keep the ends up. Keep as much of the ends up as you can. And yeah.
The push car. Thanks.
You're welcome.
I pooped.
You pooped? You stink.
Give me the blue car.
And my very last one that I want to share is just Olaplex. Olaplex is amazing. I don't know how this stuff works, what it is made of, but it literally fixes